Hi, everybody. Tricia Cease here, president of the Virtual Foundry. Today is the 24th of February, 2022. Now, I was asked recently for my outlook for additive manufacturing or 3D printing in mass production. Now, this is a great question. And I think a lot of people who aren't in the industry look at 3D printing as a potential replacement for current mass production technologies like casting, metal injection molding, and things like that. But additive isn't ready for mass production, at least not yet. Where it fits really well is in the prototype shop, in small batches and shorter custom runs. It's also great for high value, low volume production. More traditional methods of manufacturing will still be needed well into the future. Additive manufacturing is an exciting field that changes quickly, and that will continue for quite some time. After all, innovators are still improving on machining, forging, and molding techniques today. So as a manufacturing option, 3D printing has all kinds of room to continue to improve and make even greater impacts. So this leads us to the next question. Where do I expect to see the first real world examples of high volume production? Now, there are several different technologies within that metal 3D printing or additive manufacturing umbrella. And the technology most likely to work its way into production volumes is DMLS, or direct metal laser sintering. DMLS machines are bigger and can produce many parts at once. They're also really expensive to buy and to operate. The technology that the Virtual Foundry is involved with is more about possibility than about volume production. Metal fused deposition modeling, or FDM, 3D printing enables a complete shift in how things are made. Rather than looking to replace current manufacturing methods or even attempt to mimic them, this technology looks to the new. Let's take a new look at old problems. What new materials and shapes can we make that create solutions that were out of the scope of possibility before? In our sphere, we're not looking to reach a state of mass production. Our partner innovators are looking at possibilities, like building structures on the moon, making nuclear energy even better, and any other answer to the question, what would happen if? Additive manufacturing is not a replacement for mass production, and I don't think it will be, at least not for decades. Additive manufacturing instead is a whole new way to make whole new things. We're only at the very beginning of learning what can be done. And it's quite likely that major applications for this technology won't be discovered for 5 or more years. It's pretty cool. Now, if you want to be a part of the next manufacturing revolution, check us out at thevirtualfoundry.com or reach out to info@thevirtualfoundry.com and let's talk about how we can make the future better together.